Celine, do you have the hiccups? Puppy hiccups? He's like, what? And here's Alex, who has never seen puppy hiccups live before, so he's super into this. Is she done?
No.
I think she's done. Quinn, you don't do hiccups anymore. You suck. Okay.
Keep
Quinn.
going.